What's up friends, Andrew here. In this video I'm going to show you how to add and find friends on Roblox. So all you have to do guys is just simply go ahead, click the Roblox icon on the upper left hand side, and this is going to open up a menu option where you'll find friends. Now you can easily scroll through and find people, and you can add those people to your friends list. Now once you add those people to friends, you will see if they accept and you will have friends. Now as you can see here, I have two friends here. Now that you see how to add friends, I'm going to quickly close out of this and show you how you can find those friends in your account. Now, as you can see here, I'm back in my account. So you want to sign into the Roblox website, guys. And from here, just simply click the menu on the upper left hand side. And here you have friends. Now, if I click on friends, you will see the friends list load and you will see that I have two friends here on Roblox, right? Now you can easily go ahead and click and you can see their profile and you can be able to see how much friends these people have and how their avatar actually looks and how many friends they have as well, and all of those good stuff, right? And you can also click on those other friends profile and you can see as well. Alternatively, you can also add friends by simplifying in those people here. So if you find someone else you want to add friend, you can click on their profile as well and click on friends, and you can add those people to be friends with them as well, and so on and so on and so on. So you can always go ahead and do that. But that's it guys, that's how you go ahead and add friends on Roblox.